My name is Isaac from the Innovation Consortium, and today I would like to share with you about a spirit level, how it works, where we use it, and how to use it basically. So on the table here with me, I'm having this component, and it's what we call the spirit level. So basically, to briefly explain how to use it, a spirit level has this glass you can see here. It's having a bubble inside it and the two parallel lines. So those three components are the ones which help us to find the horizontal level of any surface, be it when you're setting the structure steels, or if you're setting something like a job or a machine, when you need it to be on the level, we normally use the spirit level. So basically a spirit level gives you horizontal and vertical level. With these two glasses, one gives you the vertical and the other the horizontal level. So once I place on this surface with a film of a magnet, if I place it on any surface, it will help you get the level with the help of the bubble inside it. So the bubble basically has to be in between these two parallel lines to be sure if you're having a level. So whenever I'm having the bubble offset, when it's not in between the parallel lines, meaning this table where I'm placing the level, it is not on the level of the surface. As you can see, there is some magnetic force which is pulling it wherever I place it. So wherever I want to take a level, the magnetic field grips on the object when it's setting. I'm trying to take the level of. Once I want to get the level maybe of this table, take for instance, I'll pack something on this side of the table and it makes a certain size. So once I place the level, as you can see the bubble, it's on the other side of the parallel lines. As we had said earlier on, there are these two parallel lines in between the glass. They are the ones which give you the level. So basically the bubble has to be in between. So once I want to get the level of this table, I place the base on the table, then meaning the wedge I've put has to get up. As you can see, the bubble has moved. Once I lift the other side of the table, the level will show you that the table is sloping. It's not on the level, on the horizontal level. Once I put it down, it goes back on the level. The vertical, as you can see, it's this one here. So I place the film on the vertical surface. As you can see, the level. It's showing the bubble. It's somehow in between the two parallel lines, but it's not accurate. So meaning if I want it to be accurate, I'll have to lift a little bit. Once it comes to the exact middle, then meaning that's the level of the vertical level actual of the table. Once I push it more, it will be off the parallel lines, meaning the vertical level is off actually, as you can see. Then the third one is the level of the slope, the sloping level, and this one is basically 45 degrees. So this one normally we place it on a slope or any slope of 45 degrees when you're setting any object. So basically that's how the spirit level works. It has a level, the horizontal, the vertical, and a slope of 45 degrees. Once I want to set the slope of 45 degrees, I use this one.
That's it, I remain.
So that's it for the spirit level. I remain Isaac from the Innovation Consortium. Thanks very much, and keep tuned in for our next episodes of How To. Thank you.